Hi, I am Pragmatic, the kangaroo. We will now see a simple recipe for the 36th week of pregnancy in this video. In the 36th week, it is important to take foods that are rich in vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. It promotes healthy skin by helping to maintain its elasticity and moisture. Roasted almonds. Ingredients: almonds, 30 grams, ghee, 1/4 teaspoon, chaat masala, 1/4 cup. Roasted almonds. For the 36th week, let us see how to make this. Keep a pan, and add ghee, add almonds, and roast it in a low flame, add chaat masala and mix well. Serve chill. Roasted almonds. Almonds are rich in monounsaturated fats and omega-3 fatty acids, which support brain development and contain antioxidants, including vitamin E, which help protect cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. And then, hope you liked the 36th week pregnancy recipe video from Pragmatic. Pragmatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.